Hi everybody, I'm Tom Elliott with John Deere, and today we'll show you how to plant a small patch of clover that will attract honeybees using a compact utility tractor and a ground-driven overseeder. Now there are all kinds of reasons to plant all kinds of food plots for all kinds of wildlife, but this is a new one, even for us. This property owner in southeast Kansas has a friend with a few beehives nearby. So we're helping him with an experiment by seeding this plot that's about 1/3 of an acre in Crimson Clover to see if it has a positive impact on honey production. If it does, a much larger seeding project could be in his future. For this project, we're using a Frontier CP 1172 Cultipacker along with a GS 1160 Overseeder and a John Deere 3039R compact utility tractor. And because the Overseeder has a dry weight of 861 pounds, we've added 12 70-pound suitcase weights to the front of our tractor for ballast. We've also added an I-match quick hitch to our tractor, so hooking up both the Cultipacker and the Overseeder will be easy. Josh will just focus on the top hook and everything else always falls into place. Then he'll close the locking levers and he's ready to get to work. We ran over this plot with a disc harrow several times earlier, which typically leaves lots of clods and clumps and crevices that small seeds can fall into. They end up getting buried too deep and never germinate. So Josh will go over it with a Cultipacker to smooth and firm the soil surface and create a really good seed bed. And just in case, we added a scraper kit to the Cultipacker to help keep its cleats free of any mud or other debris left over from disking. This Overseeder is a ground-driven machine with power delivered to the 3 seed boxes when the rear spiked roller is in contact with the ground and moving forward. Each seed box is designed to handle a different type of seed. One for large seeds, like soybeans, another for small seeds, like legumes, and one for long, fluffy seeds like native prairie grass. We'll be using the legume seed box for this project. How much seed we should use per acre depends on a variety of factors, including seed size and the type of seeding equipment we're using. This Overseeder has a handy calibration chart inside the primary seed box that tells us where to set the seed dispersal rate based on those factors. A calibration tray also allows us to capture seed before we start so we can weigh it and make sure we set the pounds per acre dispersal rate correctly. Now it's time to seed. At about 7 miles per hour, it'll take Josh about 45 minutes to seed this patch. Then he'll go back over it with a Cultipacker to make sure we have really good seed to soil contact. And once he's done, if we can just get some rain, we'll have set the table for a honeybee buffet. Frontier has nearly 600 implements that are available only from your John Deere dealer, the place to go for advice and equipment. So remember, for implements that help turn your tractor into the workhorse it was built to be, think Frontier and your John Deere dealer.